Hello students, today we are going to take a new lesson in EVS and learn more about water. Now in these previous lessons we have been learning about the different sources where we get water, the different uses of water, how do we store water and who all need water. So the importance of water, and we continue with the topic. Now this time we are going to learn a little more about the scientific things about water. Now, pure water has no color, taste, or smell. Now, if you have had water in your house from your bottle or from a glass, you know that water has no color. It has no taste. Like if you taste a mango, you know that mango is sweet or maybe the mango is sour. But then water has no taste. It has no color, and water has no smell. It is transparent, means you can see through that water. Water does not have a shape of its own, means if the water is coming from the tap, it takes the shape of the tap that it is coming out from. If it is poured in a bottle, it takes the shape of the bottle. If the bottle is square, the water will be in a square shape. If the bottle is circular, the water will take a circular shape. Now, water has got three states. And what are they? Solid state, that is ice. I hope all of you have seen ice. Liquid state is water form, and gaseous state is water vapor. So these are the three states of water. Now just we'll have a pictorial view of all these things. Now as I told you, water has got three states. So the first state, liquid state, means water is it is in the watery form. So this is your liquid state of water. The second one is solid state, that is in the ice form. When you keep water in the freezer, after some time or after some hours, you see that the same water, the liquid form, has changed into the solid form called as ice. And when you heat water or when you keep water out, the steam that comes out or the water vapor that comes out is called as the gaseous state of water. So water is in three states as I told you, the solid state, the liquid state and the gaseous state. So today when you are at home, I want you to take a note of all these things. The liquid state of water, then the solid state of water, that is the ice cube. And when mommy is cooking in the kitchen, please check out, boil some water and see the gaseous state of water. So you will get to know all the three states of water. Now the gaseous state, again, when you keep a lid on top, when you cover the vessel, it will be converted into water again. The same thing when you keep ice out, it will melt and again it will form into the liquid state of water. So we have the liquid state, we've got the solid state, and we've got the gaseous state of water. And again, water has no color, it has no taste, it has no smell, and it is transparent. Transparent means you can see through it. Now, water takes the shape of the container. Now, here I have got some pictures of different shaped bottles. So, see this rectangular, so water has come in this shape. A circular one, maybe a little bigger one, so water has taken that shape. Here also a conical type, and again water has taken the shape of the container. So whatever container you pour, water will take that shape. So it is important to understand this. And these are the different characteristics of water. That water has no color, water has no smell, water has no taste, water is transparent, water takes the shape of the container, And like in the previous lesson, I told you water flows from, you know, it flows downward. So it does not remain in one place. If you pour water, it will always flow downward and it will spread. So when you pour water on the floor, you will see that it will spread around. Now, transparent substances. Now, what are transparent substances? When I can see through a substance. Now, here, if you see the medicine, the plastic sheet is put on it, and I can see the tablets which are inside it. So, the plastic here becomes a transparent substance. When I can see through a substance, those substances are called as transparent substances. I hope you're getting me, children. So the substances what you can see through are called as your transparent substances. Now we can also see through water, we can also see through glass, and we can also see through plastic. So this is what I've already shown you. Now opaque substances. Opaque substances are those substances like you cannot see through those substances. Now here I cannot see what is inside. So this is blocking, maybe the shape or the color or the texture is blocking. So these are called as opaque. Now the wall, the stone wall, what is there? I cannot see behind what is there. So these substances are called as opaque substances. So children, we have come to the end of this lesson. So what you need to know is the characteristics of water. That water has no color, smell, or taste. Water is transparent. Water takes the shape of the container in which it is kept. Water spreads on a flat surface. It flows down a slope. Water is found in three states: solid, liquid, and gaseous. And there are several substances that dissolve in water. So it could be salt. If I mix salt in water, it mixes in water. If I mix sugar in water, it mixes in water, so it dissolves in water. Jaggery, and there's also a chemical called as potassium permanganate, which also dissolves in water. Now, there are a few things which do not dissolve in water. It could be oil, it could be wood, plastic, paper. It does not mix in water. Dissolve means it does not mix in water. I'll come back to you again with the video on the notes of this lesson. So start studying. See you children. Bye-bye.